Snap Spectacles 2.0. So these are the slightly more hyped up version of the very famous Snap Spectacles that we've seen out and about. I'll give you some specs first. You can do photo and video with these. It's a tap for a video and a hold for a photo on the special button that it has on them. They're water resistant as well, so you can take them out and about during beach days. And they charge on the go because the case charges them. Right, that's all of the hype. Let's get in the box. Right, okay. So first things first, like the little Snap logo that you got there, very cute. Box, very well made. Designed by Snap Inc., it says at the top here. The most notable thing is this charging port, because it makes me think that it's got a customized charger on it. If I press the charger button, see what happens. That must be the battery level. The light was on them when I opened it too. They look like pretty cool sunglasses, if I'm honest. They've got the cool Spectacles logo on the inside. Just the camera on this side. And then a light on this side. So camera here, light here. And a button as well. All right, let's pop these on while I read the instructions. As I thought, it's got its very own special charging lead as well. Don't lose your Snap Spectacle charging lead. You'll end up a very unhappy person because you have to buy another one. Press once to take a 10-second video snap. Press again to extend by 10 seconds. Or press and hold to stop recording. Double tap the side to check your battery level. First things first, I want to check the battery level. So if I tap it, what's happening? Is it lighting up? I can't see because I'm wearing them. No. Oh, there we go. So right now I should be filming Billy, who's filming me. How does it feel knowing that I'm filming you with no hands, Bill? I'll also take a picture of you as well, I think, if I hold down the photo button. There you go. You're gonna pose. 1, 2, 3. You get a little flash on the inside as well, so you kind of can see when you're videoing and filming too. And that's about it really. I think you're supposed to show up in the stories and you can export those as well. Now that's all really good, but I think the best thing for us to do now is to take these out on the streets and try them out and see how they work in the real world. The first thing I need to test are these spectacles' waterproofness. Interesting thing about these are that they record directly to the glasses themselves. Hands-free way to vlog POV with as little on you as possible. These are definitely there. Then it. I hate dogs. So the great thing is the spectacles work independently from your phone, so you can leave it behind or take it with you and snap other things while you're getting that POV shot from the Snap Spectacles. So those were the Snap Spectacles. If you want to grab yourself a pair, click the link in the description below. Let us know in the comments what we should review next. Thank you for killing some time with us. Bless.